Welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss first question in our next exercise. Find the nature of the roots. So find the nature of the roots. So what is meant by roots? So roots is nothing but solutions for the given expression. So we have to write the given expression into ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let's going to write. So this is in the format of ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. So here expressions, the roots will be, what is that roots? So for this, roots are minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the roots. So here plus or minus, it will going to differentiate. So first expression. So what are the nature of the roots and what are the roots? So nature of the roots will be always, so we should know this one is ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. Let's going to write 2x square. So here you can take minus as plus, right? So minus 3 into x plus 5 will be equal to 0. So plus bx we are written in the plus into minus minus. So that will be equal to minus 3. So a will be equal to 2, then b will be equal to minus 3, then c will be equal to 5. So here the roots we have to write the discriminant. So what is b square minus 4ac? So b square minus 4ac, this is discriminant. So we have to calculate what is the b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but 2 and c is nothing but 5. So minus whole square we can write as plus. So 3 square is 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So what you can get? So minus 31. So 40 minus 9 is nothing but 31. 40 is a bigger friend of that, minus is there, for that minus 31. So that is the b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, what you can get it is less than 0. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is minus 31 is less than 0. So minus negative numbers always less than 0. For this, is there any roots? So if it is discriminant, b square minus 4ac is the discriminant, so that is less than 0. So we are getting less than 0. For that, for this there is no real roots. No real roots. No real roots does not exist. Roots doesn't exist. So this is the case for first one. Next one. So here 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So we can write this in the format of ax square plus bx plus c. So let's going to write this as 3x square plus of minus 4 root 3 into x plus 4 will be equal to 0. So here ax square plus bx plus c format. So what is a? A will be equal to, so here from this a equal to 3, then b is equals to minus 4 root 3, then c is equals to 4. So let's going to find out what is the discriminant. So discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac should be equal to, what is that? B square is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but 3, then c will be equal to 4. So next one, so minus whole square means, what is this? Minus into minus will become plus. So 4 square root 3 whole square, 4 4s are 4 3s are 12, 48, 12 4s are 48. So this one 4 into 4, that is 4 16 into square root and square will going to cancel, then 3 minus 48. So 48 16 3s are minus 48 will be equal to 0. So here b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Then here if it is a b square minus 4ac, discriminant will be equal to 0, then what is that? Two identical roots. Roots are equal. So two identical. So this is equal to 0. Two identical roots two identical roots and roots are equal. Roots are equal. Then what are the roots? So here b square minus 4ac. So let's go into substitute in this. So minus b square root plus or minus plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here minus b, the roots. So these are the roots. So here b square minus 4 is plus square root of 0 by 2a, that is minus b by 2a. So minus b by 2a. Why? Because here square root of 0 will become 0. So plus 0, that will be. Next one, minus b minus square root of, so b square minus 4 is we are already calculated. That is what? 0. That is 0 by 2a. So that is equals to minus b by 2a. So minus b by 2a are the root. So roots. So minus b by 2a, that is minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So b is nothing but minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2 into a is nothing but 3. So minus into minus will become plus 4 root 3 by 2 3s are 6. So 4 root 3 by 4 root 3 by 6, 2 2s are, then 2 3s are, that is 2 root 3 by 3. So 2 root 3 by 3. So that is the, what you can say, that is roots. So therefore roots 2 root 3 by 3 comma 2 root 3 by 3. So this 3 by 3 as, so let's going to write 2 root 3 by root 3 whole square. Can you write or not? So root 3 whole square and root 3 square root and square will going to cancel. So that will be, I will write it here. So that 2 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will going to cancel. 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 is our roots. So that is our second question. Next, what is our third question? So 2x square minus cx plus c. So let's going to write 2x square plus of minus 6 into x plus 3 will be equal to 0. So this is our expression. So let's going to write a will be equal to 2, then b will be equal to minus 6, then c will be equal to 3. So let's going to find out what is the discriminant, find out the nature of the roots. Then b square minus 4ac by 4ac. So b square is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So minus 6 whole square is nothing but 36. 6 6 are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what will be 12? So what answer we got? So here we got it as 12. So that is our 12. Then here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then it will have two distinct roots. Therefore, two distinct roots, that is different roots. Two distinct roots existed. Two different roots. So what are that? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let's going to substitute minus b. So minus of minus 6. So b is nothing but minus 6. Don't get confused here. Minus b means don't write only minus 6. 6 is not b. So b is equals to minus 6. Plus or minus square root of b square is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Already we are calculated 12 by 2a. 2 into a is nothing but 2. So minus into minus 6 plus or minus square root of 12 by, what you can write? 2 2s are 4. So what answer we are getting here? So let's going to take this one as, so first one, roots, what you can take common here, roots is 6 plus square root of 12 by 4 and 6 minus square root of 12 by 4. So let's going to take 12, write it as minus 6 plus square root of 3 into 4 by 4 and 6 minus square root of 3 into 4 by 4. So let's going to simplify this one. 6 plus root 3 square root of 4 by 4 and 6 minus, let's going to write this as the root 3 square root of 4 by 4. So why square root of 4 we are divided? By which formula? So what is the formula of, therefore, square root of a into b will be equal to square root of a into square root of b. So that formula we are written here. So that is the case here. So let's take square root of 4 is nothing but 6 plus root 3, square root of 2 root 3 by 4, and this is also 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So let's going to take common of 2 here. 2 outside, 2 3s are plus root 3 by 4, and here also same, 2 common, 3 minus root 3 by 4. So we are taking common in numerator, 2 1s are, then 2 2s are, 2 1s are, then 2 2s are. So 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the two distinct roots for the given expression. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to share with your friends and family members.